A very good morning to you. I hope you are keeping safe and healthy. So welcome to Fresh Start India. We are starting with your rounds. So the first step is that you have to do a ramp walk for 2 rounds and then you sit back for your introduction. So you can begin with that. Yeah.
I have to do ramp walk first?
Yeah, first the ramp walk. So place your device where I can see you walking.
Yeah. Just hold on, man.
Sure.
Sorry, I've got people coming in my room.
Okay.
I'll place it like this?
Yeah, it should work fine.
Yeah.
Okay, Kusum and Aarti, thank you so much. You guys could sit back now. And I request you to mute yourself because I will be interacting one-on-one. So yeah. Malika, Venus, can we please have you walk so that we can proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Malika. You could sit back. So let's just wait for Venus and then we proceed. I think you could mute yourself so that there is no echo while I speak. Yeah, hi Aarti. Could you please mute yourself so that there is no echo while I speak?
Okay, I have to mute myself?
Yeah. Because I will be interacting one-on-one. So when your turn comes, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. All right. By the time Venus, settle down, let's talk to Malika. Hi, Malika. How are you? Please unmute yourself.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. So please go ahead and introduce yourself. Yeah, Malika, go ahead, introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Malika Kaur Sethi, and I'm 20 years old right now. Next month's my birthday. I'll turn 21. And I just graduated this year from SGTB Khalsa College, North Campus. And I just love to sing. I'm a professional singer also.
Okay. And what brings you here today? Why do you want to sit down?
Sorry, I'm just unable to hear you.
So I mentioned, what brings you here today? Why are you here to win the crown? Why do you want to win the crown?
I just love the idea of this Forever Star Miss India, and I would be love to be a part of it.
Okay. So if I have to ask, your career prospects 5 years down the lane, where do you see yourself? As a singer or as a model, actor? Where?
Most I see myself like I'll be a model. I'll be a, I'm a multitasking person, so I can, multitask.
Okay, I guess she lost connection. So let's hear it from Kusum now. Hi Kusum, can we please have your video and audio?
Hello, ma'am.
How are you? कैसी हैं आप?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so go ahead. अपने आप को introduce कीजिए please.
My name is Kusum Singh. I am 27 years old. My educational qualification is I have done my GNM nursing from from Abhishek Nursing College, which is in Gwalior, and my hobby is playing badminton, singing, and workout.
Okay, so Kusum, are you nervous?
Little bit.
You don't have to be. It's okay. I am here just to know more about you guys. Just as you talk to your friends and have a conversation with them, we can be totally cool. So yeah, and what brings you here today? आप ये crown क्यों जीतना चाहती हैं?
Actually, ma'am, this is my passion, and I just want to be I mean, हिंदी कंटिन्यू कर सकती हूँ मैम?
जी बिल्कुल, हिंदी में कंटिन्यू कीजिए.
एक्चुअली मैम थोड़ा चेंज भी होगा. एक्चुअली जिस सोसाइटी, जिस एनवायरमेंट में हम रहते हैं, उससे थोड़ा सा चेंज होगा. देन आई वांट टू बी बिकम अ फेमस एंड ऑल.
Okay, so you want to get popular?
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Thank you, Kusum. Thank you so much. And Malika, I had heard your part, so thank you so much for your intro as well. So let's move
Thank you.
to Aarti. Hi, Aarti. Yeah, finally. Please unmute yourself.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, so please proceed with your introduction.
Yeah, I'm a 35-year-old woman and a mother of two. I'm struggling through divorce. My divorce is about to end. And I've got two sons, two lovely sons. One is 12-year-old, Darsh, and another is 6-year-old, Mihit. After the mutual conflicts between me and my husband since 2016, I've been struggling here and upbringing my children. It was very hard for me to bring up a 7-month-old and 6-year-old child all together alone. Obviously, my parents were here to stand by me, and getting through the 9 cases, 9 civil criminal cases. And after all, I thought decided to do law. I'm doing LLB right now, and next year I'll become a lawyer. I got stay order by myself from High Court. I got a lot of confidence, and in between, I got to know that in India, judiciary system is very much corrupted. I mean, people, they long to get justice for years and years, and they don't get justice, especially women. They cry over for maintenance, for other things. They crib over for it, and they don't get their rights, ma'am. So they have to stand by alone, and sometimes they are family people only. They chuck them out of the house, saying that your husband has, left you. So what can we do? So thinking about all this, I decided to do law, and luckily I passed out from my first semester with good marks. And my future is to become a very good lawyer. And still, see, 5 years I've been through a lot of cases, so I help women who are right now facing through the same that I've gone through. So for women's rights, I want to become a lawyer, obviously, and for my own professional use. And I came to know that in these 5 years, how strong I am. My dad was diagnosed cancer last year in this period of pandemic. That was very much terrible because obviously going through to hospitals and during this pandemic time, and getting recovered and getting those radiation therapy was very much difficult. He lost 25 kgs. All of a sudden, mouth cancer, third stage. Plus my litigations. Plus I was studying also. I got through it. I got a lot of confidence. Plus I just want to stand by all the women of our country and just want to tell them that you are strong. You are not beyond or behind anyone. And that was the reason I joined Mrs. India. So that I can become more confident and become an icon for the upcoming females. Thanks a lot.
That's an interesting, line of thought, Aarti, that, learning from your personal experiences, you further
You're welcome.
want to, work on yourself. And there's this one thing that I really want to know. What are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I mentioned, what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy as an individual?
I love dancing. I love sketching, and I love to play with my children. And I love to read all the citations and the latest laws. That is, I used to spend time in the mirror before my marriage and after, but due to all these litigations and all, I've stopped. See, 10 minutes back only, I have applied this foundation, bit of eyeshadow and all, just to talk in between both of us and have a meeting with you good people. I've stopped looking at myself. I concentrate on children. But more of my hobbies are like, I do everything, dancing, singing, whether it's a public competition, speech, everything. I know I love to enjoy life, and I think you should enjoy life to the best and think positive, because problems are there in everybody's life. But if you think in a positive manner and deal with it, you're surely going to get through it in every manner.
Absolutely. And you represent the idea that you preach. So that's a good thing. So, all right. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you for your time today. It was lovely talking to you.
And sorry, I would interrupt. You're a very good mentor, and you're a very pretty lady too. And this is my first time. Actually, my son was very much enthralled, and he was like, "Mom, you are just joining this." It was a dream of me before marriage, and I got selected in Femina Miss India, top 50 candidates, but. I mean, I couldn't go through it due to my dad. My dad strictly denied that it doesn't happen in our family. You can't join it. Although I got through it, I got through the audition, but my dad finally denied that people of our family don't join such contests. You have to wear bikini, this, that, and blah, blah. So this was one of my dream also, you can say. And my children will be very happy. They are actually very happy. They are right now off screen there. They're looking at me. And thanks a lot. I really enjoyed giving interview here.
Same here. It was a pleasure hearing, you as well. So thank you so much for your time, and a big hi to your children. And I'm sure that they must be very proud, of their mother. So yeah, it is exciting that, when you have a back from somebody who's so close to your heart, it just brings out some other level of confidence in you, and that we can see, of course, on your face and the way you are talking. Like, I can say that, somebody is helping her to fix the video and all. So I can see that when families come together and support each other, it's a big thing that happens. The ultimate result is always very, very beautiful. So yeah, thank you so much for your time today. I guess we have Shivangi, but let's just do with the platform part, because जैसे आप लोगों ने मुझे अपने बारे में बताया, similarly we would also like some, like to share some details about the platform. So first of all, congratulations for completing your first step into the journey of Forever Star India. We are looking for women who are not to be controlled or put in a shell by the conventions. We are looking for women who are just passionate to make a mark for themselves. तो हमारे लिए ना कोई conventional standard मैटर करता है, ना ही कोई कोई stereotype मैटर करता है. Eventually the platform intends to be very inclusive, and we are trying to build a community of women where we uplift each other, empower each other, no matter what we go through. So you guys are of course the right fit. And about the platform, we have a director with us, Miss Kirti Chaudhary. She will be taking over and talking about it in detail. Over to you, Kirti ma'am. Welcome on board.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good morning to each one of you, Aarti, Kusum, and Shivangi. If you could just switch on your video, and I'm sure you're listening to what all we're talking about here. We'll take your audition once we're done with the introduction of the platform. So let me just start with that Forever Star India is organizing the biggest and the most unique beauty pageants of the country. So firstly, why do I call it unique? So I'm sure when you talked about beauty pageants, so you say Femina and the other state level beauty pageants happening across the country. So these beauty pageants are just meant, and they have made specific standards in our mind that you have to look a certain way, you have to behave in a certain way if you want to be a part of a beauty pageant, right? Because until you are from a modeling background, you have a specific body type, you cannot participate in these beauty pageants. But here, rather than just doing a beauty pageant, we are trying to create a huge community of strong and inspirational women like you, so that as Harry said, we can uplift each other, we can help each other grow. So here there is no competition with the other participants. So Aarti, we are not going to compare you with Shivangi, or for that matter with Kusum. Here your competition is going to be with your own self, like what is the progress that you are making on a regular basis. And for that, we have 150 plus experts here on this platform who are going to train you to become the best version of yourself. Yes, which includes internationally certified image consultants. We have motivational speakers here. We have choreographers here. Ramp walk experts are going to be there. So, it is going to be a very gradual and an exciting process. Today, you appeared for your audition. Within a day or two, you are going to receive your audition report, right? So this is also something that only Forever Star India is doing. We are giving you a reason to flourish, right? We are giving you a proof that this is on what basis that you have been selected. Whether you are selected or not selected, you will be receiving this audition report. It will have all the details, like what are your qualities and what are those things, those traits that can be worked upon. And on the basis of that audition report, you're going to complete your participation process. Once you complete the participation process, instantly we will start with your training sessions. Now, how are we going to go about it? Because see, it is a 5 to 6 months process. The grand finale will happen in December. 15th से 25th December के बीच में हम grand finale organize करेंगे, जहाँ पे जो भी winners हैं, चाहे आप city level पे winner बनते हैं, चाहे आप state level पे winner बनते हैं, all the winners are going to travel to Goa for the crowning, right? So it will be a 5 to 7 days event. But before that, the full process is virtual. जैसे कि आज आप virtually अपना audition दे रहे हैं, the same way you will be appearing and attending the training sessions virtually. I'm sure everybody understands that this is the need of the hour, right? You cannot travel much, you cannot, stay in some other places, because we have to look after your think about your safety also. So keeping that in mind, we have kept the training and your grooming sessions totally virtual. So once a week, you will have to appear for those training sessions. So once you appear for one training session, and then you appear for your talent round. Then you appear for another training session. For example, a ramp walk expert is going to train you about the technicalities of a ramp walk. A photographer or an influencer is going to teach you that how you should be taking, excellent photographs of your own self, just by using your phone at home. So these are just a few things. My idea of telling all of this to you in detail is that so that you understand that in these 5 months, how are the experts going to train you. Now, once the training is done, once the rounds are done, we will be selecting the finalists in every city. Now, these finalists will come together for the crowning of city winner. And from this lot of city winners, we will be selecting state winners across the country. This association does not end here once the pageant ends, because this pageant will be done in December. But after this also, you will become a lifetime member of Forever Star India. So Aarti, when you talked about your aspirations and how you want to help women in our society, right? So I'm sure more than 50% of women are facing such problems, and you want to be a lawyer, you want to reach such women. So this is one such platform which can help you in creating a community of such women, right? Because बहुत सारी ऐसी औरतें हैं, you know, they do not have an access to these facilities, they do not have an access to such lawyers who can actually help them cope with such a situation. But अगर ऐसी community का आप part बनते हो जिसमें already we have thousands and thousands of women, not only from the urban areas, even from the rural areas, we have our participants जो छोटे-छोटे towns, villages and cities से हैं, right? But इस virtual platform के through वो सब चीजों को access कर पा रहे हैं. वरना एक छोटे से गांव में, can you imagine कि एक ramp walk expert वहां जाके किसी को training देगा ramp walk की? That doesn't happen. But अगर आप एक छोटे से गांव में रहते हो, that doesn't mean that you do not aspire to be a model, or you do not aspire to go somewhere, you know, in the movies or on an OTT platform for that matter. So aspirations हैं सबकी, लेकिन उन aspirations को पूरा करने के लिए they need opportunities. So this is such a platform. We are not just saying it for the sake of saying that we are here to empower women. We mean every word of it when we say that. That is why 95% of our employees are women, right? You can see Harry, you can see me, and you know, for that matter, if you go to our team page on our website, you'll see कि वहाँ पे सारे के सारे जो हमारे employees हैं वो females हैं, right? So that's what we are here about for. And secondly, जो मैंने lifetime membership की बात की, तो वो lifetime membership आपको किस तरीके से help करने वाली है? Because one example is this, that we are going to launch our own OTT platform. उस OTT platform के लिए हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जाने वाले हैं to look out for actors, singers, choreographers, script writers. What we'll be doing is we will be giving 100% preference to our own active community members, right? Agar aap, you know, if you want to go ahead as a model, if you want to go ahead as an actor, if you want to go ahead as a choreographer, तो वो सारी opportunities आपको इसी platform पे directly मिलेंगी. अगर आप 100% active रहते हैं, अपनी profile visit करते हैं, वहाँ पे आप अपनी जो भी activities on a regular basis कर रहे हैं, उनको upload करते हैं. And I'm sure, Harry, have you shared the links for our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube? Yes. So you could please take a screenshot of this, and you could follow us on all of these social media platforms. Because after you follow us, you will know in a better way that what are our trainers doing, हमारे sessions कैसे चल रहे हैं. YouTube पे आप जाएंगे, वहाँ पे videos check out करेंगे, you come to know कि कौन सा trainer किस तरीके से सिखा रहा है, right? How many people are attending these sessions? What are the kind of contests that are going on our you know, website and our social media handles? So apart from this, if there's anything you want to know, feel free to ask us here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kirti ma'am. Thank you, and yeah, for putting it out in detail. So, Aarti and Kusum, thank you so much. It was lovely meeting both of you. I hope you guys have, you know, enjoyed this as well. So, I'm really looking forward to your audition report. अपने audition report का इंतजार कीजिए, और हम आपसे training sessions में मिलते हैं with a lot more excitement and of course, you know, more things to learn.
I have to ask something. Can I interrupt?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, actually, as you might have come to know through newspapers and the media, the third wave is going on. So obviously this audition is online, but what if the online, for the online entries and all, if the third wave exists, I mean in the coming time, around in July, August, what time will we have that round, participation round and all?
Okay, all of that, right? It
all the rounds, Aarti, they will be held online. जो आपका talent round होगा, आपके trainings होंगे. So till November, everything will be virtual. Yes, so we might just pass the third wave and we might get in a much better situation for the grand finale till then. So you do not have to worry about anything. Till November, everything will be virtual. So you will not have to travel anywhere. You can just stay back at your home and enjoy the training sessions and appear for the rounds.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
So thank you so much, Kusum and Aarti, and I shall see you really soon. Thank you and all the best for your.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you.
I'll proceed with Shivangi. Hi, Shivangi. How are you?
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yeah. Aarti, Kusum, आप लोग meeting छोड़ सकते हैं. You guys are free to go because I have to continue with the audition.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Nice talking to you.
Same here. Same here.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Shivangi. बताइए. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए, please. How your hobbies, your education qualifications, and why do you want to win the crown?
I am graduate biomedical science from Bundelkhand University.
Okay.
And my hobbies are dance, singing.
All right. And why do you want to win the crown? Why? आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू क्या एस्पायर करती हैं?
इनर सेल्फ है, मतलब मैं कुछ. हेलो.
जी मैं आपको सुन पा रही हूँ, बोलिए.
I am nervous.
Don't be nervous. It's okay. You just have to. I am just here to know more about you. मुझे बस आपके बारे में जानना है. It's not an exam. So please be very comfortable. And जैसे अपने दोस्तों को अपने बारे में बताती हैं, आपने बताया होगा राइट कि मैं इस चीज में क्यों पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहती हूँ. मुझे बस वही जानना है.
मैं फर्स्ट टाइम पार्टिसिपेट किया है मैंने इसमें, और मैं ललितपुर से बिलोंग करती हूँ.
ओके. तो आप मिस इंडिया में क्यों आना चाहती हैं? आपका क्या सपना है इस प्रोसेस को लेकर? क्या आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं, एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं, कुछ ऐसा?
मैं मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हूँ.
ओके, तो आप मॉडलिंग करना चाहती हैं. आप कितनी अच्छी लग रही हैं. आपने इतना मेहनत से विंग लाइनर लगाया है. आप नर्वस क्यों हैं? यू लुक सो प्रिटी.
थैंक यू मैम.
यू डोंट हैव टू बी
फर्स्ट टाइम.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं भी आपसे फर्स्ट टाइम मिल रही हूँ राइट. सो मुझे भी नर्वस होना चाहिए. But it should be exciting that you are becoming a part of something that is so huge. आपने प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में कुछ डायरेक्टर से सुना. We want to make it a very comfortable space. आपको नर्वस नहीं होना है, आपको कॉन्फिडेंट होना है कि आप आगे बढ़ेंगी and you will work on yourself और आप सीखेंगी. ठीक है? Okay, so ऑडिशन वाइंड अप होता है. So शिवांगी, थैंक यू सो मच आपके वक्त के लिए. मैं आपसे अपने ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट की वेट कीजिएगा. आपको विदिन 48 आवर्स ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट ईमेल कर दी जाएगी जैसे कीर्ति मैम ने बताया. एंड मैं आपसे ट्रेनिंग सेशन में मिलती हूँ. ठीक है?
ओके मैम, थैंक्स.
बाय बाय.